Hello guys, you're welcome today to my channel. So guys, today I have something new here and I'm hoping that you love it. You will love it. If you can share. Just share the love and the style. Okay, so I have a client here. She wanted something different and then she said, okay, you can choose for me something that is unique, and then like that. So I decided to make this style for her. I have a pre-made cornrows for attaching or for weaving. And this is the best method to prevent much pulling from the front part or pulling of the scalp. If you check it, you think maybe it's pulling or maybe it's too much, but no guys, it's also good. So I'm making first the inner lines, which is at the back part, and the inner lines at the back part I'll be doing a normal weave, which is a curly weaver. So the inner lines, you can make them depending on the design you want to make them or how you want them to be. Okay, and the front part, so it's being hold, that part I'm gonna make them weave on strands, which is Bandika lines. I'm gonna do that at the front part, which I'll make like half middle coming to the center, to the middle up there. So you try to imagine how this style will look. I know you're asking yourself how it will look. And you can't imagine how nice it came out and how my client was happy. So the inner lines, I'm done with them. You can see how they are looking. Before we start making the small inner lines for the front part, I made zigzag in the middle, so that if I do the weaving, it's easier for me. Okay, so this front part we are making this small inner cornrows. Guys, if you want, you can make them to be big depending to your strands, the way you pre-made them. But for me, this one, I want them to be thinner so that they can be a bit closer. It won't be that much closed, because it's also good for the scalp to breathe. Okay, so let's continue making the inner lines, the inner small cornrows for the front part. So as you can see, I'm just winding up with the small inner cornrows. Remember, I have the pre-made strands aside that I made by myself. If you want them, you can order them here. And for now, it's easy for you to get them around Europe. I can send them to you if you want. Just send me a message, okay? So the middle part of the small strands, I'm gonna fold them, or I'm gonna knit them together, which means that, yeah, if I want to put the strands, then I don't have to touch the ends of these small cornrows. This one's here, and this is how I'm gonna fold them together. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just make a one braid like that, and then I'm gonna make it to go round, and then that's it, like that. As simple as that. So the next thing we're gonna do is to put the strands first, and here we go. So just lay down your needle. First check the strands, this is how they look. Self-made and very neat. Okay. So you're gonna use your needle, your curved professional needle, and this is how you're gonna start it. Guys, you don't have to make it to be tight for you to feel good, no. As far as the thread, then everything is fine. So measure first like that when you know where you want to start, and then lie your needle down under the line like that, starting from a quarter of the line that way, and then going frontward, or maybe at the beginning part. And now you're gonna start going in this method where we say you have to do it from I'm still measuring, yeah. So from left, like that. Yeah, it's better if you use a short thread, because sometimes this can tangle or it can lock and then disturb you. So right to left, yeah. Ooh, this is mixed up now. So yeah. So lay down your needle from the left part under the line through to the cornrow like that, and then pull it, and then still the same way down the line through to the strand, and then pull. So we are going like that. Just lay your needle down the line under the plaited line through to the cornrow, which is the weave on cornrow, and then you pull the thread like that as you continue. It's very, very simple. Very simple, very simple, very simple. Yeah, so you continue like that until you finish the line. Remember not to make them to be so tight, because yeah, it's not good also to make them to be so tight. You might make your client to not have peace. All right. Sorry. So guys, we're gonna continue like that as we move onwards. And that's how it is. Yeah, so we're gonna do several of them. At the finishing part, you can lock, or you can just leave it like that. And then later when you're styling, then you can lock it completely. So let's do another one. Measure it first again, according to where you want it to be. Yeah, but it's better when you just move it a little bit in front, just start to the little part, as in a little portion. Little portion. Am I telling the truth? No, not a little portion. Okay, a little bit in the front, which means it's a bit far from the hairline, just a bit, slightly like that from the hairline. Yeah, I mean where the hair starts from. Okay, the starting of your hair. So, and then we continue. So, lay down the needle under the plaited line. Make it come through to the cornrow, which is this strand that I'm adding on, and then you pull. So guys, we will continue that way. You can see what I'm doing. If you watch, you will see what I'm doing. Just lay down the needle under the inner plaited line through to the strand, and then pull. Do like that and continue until you finish. Okay guys, so let me let you enjoy this remaining part. Woo.